Hi all, it's Amanda here with Moses and Me Card Company. Today we are showcasing the cards we create using the Spellbinders July 2023, sorry I forget what year I'm in, card kit of the month called Sweet and Cool. But first, let's just take a brief look at what we get in the kit, starting with the paper. They already cut the paper down for you, which is kind of nice. So we get this nice blue color, kind of an aqua turquoisey blue. We get a bright sunshiny yellow, light pink, kind of a light purple, and some white. We also get our card bases and envelopes. We get some pattern paper. These are very springy, summery kind of colors. Kind of remind me a little bit of Easter. But there are one-sided pattern papers. I always like the colors. They all coordinate really well together. These little umbrellas, those are cute. Little sunshines are cute. Oh, that's cute. Got little clouds that have gold foiling on them. I like that paper. I like fish. That looks like water. It's really nice summery patterns. They do have cute pattern paper. I will give them that. I'm going to have to probably bring in some additional things to help me out here. For some reason, I find it hard not to create cards without a stamp set or dies. And then we get some chipboard stickers. Those kind of coordinate nicely with the pattern paper. They got really pretty colors. We get some enamel dots, which go well with the colors. We get these nice little puffy stickers that are got like nice little sentiments on them. This little be happy is cute, and don't worry. I guess those probably go together. Very cute. I like this. We of course get our ephemera pieces, which I won't drag out for you guys. And we also get some sequins this time. These are, they don't tell us what color they're in. They're kind of a purpley color, which are real pretty. And then of course we get our tape and foam. So there you have it. Let's see what cards we can create using this super cute card kit this year, or month rather. So look forward to showing you what we get into. So here are the 6 cards we were able to create using this month's card kit. These are always a challenge for me. I don't know about you guys. I always have to end up bringing stamp sets and things from my stash just to kind of help me with these simple card kits. But this one was kind of fun. I enjoyed the pattern papers and the colors of this one. I thought they really had some very pretty ephemera in it. So this is my first kit, card rather. It uses the stickers, the puppy stickers we got in the kit, as well as some of the chipboard stickers, some ephemera. I think they had an example of somebody that used both the ephemera and the chipboard sticker to use to make that, so I went ahead and thought that was pretty. And just has, you know, a lot of sparkle because the papers have some gold accents. I just thought this kind of was a nice, pretty simple card. There you have card number 1. You know how I like to start out easy. For card number 2, I kind of started to bring in some products from my stash. This is a bikini die. It's right here. That we got, I don't know about y'all, but I got this in a Simon Says Stamp card kit a long time ago. It was one of my very first card kits I got. So that actually came in handy. I kind of just took some of the pattern paper that we got in the kit and cut that out, and then used some more of the chipboard stickers as well as some of the puppy stickers. And this is some of the enamel dots we got, and more of that pattern paper in the background. I really like this little cloud pattern paper with the suns on it. I thought that was really pretty, and I just like the really kind of green muted tones of this kit. So there you have card number 2. For card number 3, I continued with that stamp set that we got in that first Simon Says Stamp card kit. Let's see if I have it. It is called See You Soon. I don't know if they still have this at Simon Says Stamp, but as you can see, it's got a lot of like beachy kind of sentiments as well as images. So I just thought that was kind of fun. That was my first card kit I got. This is, of course, the clouds I used from that stamp set. This is the pattern paper. I liked how the blue pattern paper that was in the kit kind of looked like the sky and the ocean, and then this kind of sandy color pattern paper I thought looked like the beach. So in a very abstract way, I made just a little beach scene here. I took some of my gold jelly roll pen. This is, I think, called Stardust. Let's see what this is called. I don't see a name on it. I believe this is called Stardust. And it's kind of just a gold shimmery jelly roll pen. I don't know if you can see that in the, I made just kind of dotted little areas around the beach. These are my chipboard stickers. The birds and the sentiment and the clouds are from that Simon Says Stamp stamp set called See You Soon. And then of course I brought in a little sailboat I have. A little die there from Simon Says Stamp as well. I don't think they make the bikini or the sailboat anymore. But if you have something nautical in your stash, this is the perfect kit to kind of bring it in with. And I just thought that that was kind of cute. So there you have card number 3. These are really challenging card kits for me. And I think it's because I overcomplicate things. So I'm trying to just kind of enjoy the process of some simple kits. So this is card number 4. I went ahead and brought in some more pattern paper from the kit. And some ephemera. So the waves and the seashells and the fish and the fishing rod. And some of the enamel dots, and just kind of, I popped some of these up so they've got some dimension. And then of course I brought in another stamp set in my stash. I've got lots of kind of fish stamps in my stash. I must enjoy them. This is You're the Only Fish in My Sea, and that's from My Favorite Things, Ocean Pals, which I thought just kind of went nicely with this card. Again, a very abstract card, as we have the ocean right here with all the fish in it and these giant seashells hanging out of it. So there you have card number 4. For card number 5, I really like the pattern paper in this kit, and I think that's kind of what helped me kind of get to the end here with them. I took some of the more of the pattern paper that we got in the kit, and just some more ephemera. This is a lighthouse ephemera, and more of those enamel dots and a chipboard sticker. And there you have card number 5. This one was kind of nice and easy. These the lighthouses of course popped up, so it's got some dimension, as well as the fish over here. A couple of them were popped up. And then last but not least, I took some of the beautiful flower paper that's in the kit. This is kind of a busy card. It's got some pretty gold accents, and of course I brought my Love from Lizzie peel-offs in these 3 cards. Oh, actually 5 of the 6 cards. I kept this one in gold because of the accents in the background. And just brought in some of the ephemera and the chipboard stickers, as well as this chipboard sticker that's got smiles on it, and the enamel dots which match kind of the stripes in the background. And there you have card number 6. So there you got it. I also did some of the club kits this month. I'll try to get that up. Those were kind of Christmas themed, so that was kind of a interesting brain game, trying to do Christmas and summer, like summery beach cards together. So anyway, there are the 6 cards we used the card kit this month. I hope that you like them. I hope that this gives you some ideas as to what to do with your kit if you also receive this kit. And I will chat with you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. I look forward to speaking to you all soon.